What's up, guys? What's good? That's not it.
Oh! Good morning, everybody. We're here at Big Falls. No, we're not. Mt.Charleston. Hiking up to Big Falls. How do we feel today?
Tired.
It's only the beginning, and we're like literally all tired already.
I ate McDonald's. That's why.
This is why I didn't eat.
RK was right. Like, no,
So last week, me and RK went to Mary Jane Falls, and RK was literally talking all this trash in the beginning, where we're walking right now because he was going super fast.
But I ran.
He was going super fast. He's like, Josh, you're so slow. Let me carry this bag for you. Like, man, you're gonna bog up top. And what happened, RK?
I killed it.
No, he didn't. He rested like 7 times.
You got no proof?
30 minutes each. I got pictures.
What proof?
I got pictures.
What, RK?
Man.
Which one?
But yeah, we're going to Big Falls.
Hanging.
And we're hiking up there. What is it, a 4-mile round trip?
Yes.
4-mile round trip. There's still some snow up there. Can't really see it right now, but you'll see it later on.
What up? Welcome to my crib. We're taking a break because I'm tired. Anyway, what's good about this trail is it's unlisted.
It's unlisted. Welcome to my crib. You can catch this on Zillow for $30. So
$30
let me show
a
you my
night.
bathroom. Oh god, I can't get it. I'm too big for this. Oh look, there's a bug right there, but it's fine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So this is my living room. This is my living room. This is where I come to think, and you know, this is my thoughts. I think there's an ant on my head, but you know, pretty cool. Let me get that now.
Careful, RK.
There's web right there. Ooh, whoa, whoa.
Every time he says that, all I'm seeing is this in my head.
Whoa! Since it's unlisted, you could actually find it online, or what I did. There's a app called All Trails. You could find like.
Oh yeah, I had that.
Is that what you did?
Yeah, that's what I did.
That's what he did.
Yeah.
But you could go download the app.
Alltrails.com. They have other
Or
reviews.
get
Yes,
the app.
there's an app.
There's an app.
Yes,
good.
They have all the reviews. They tell you how hard it is. They rate the moderate, like if it's moderate or if it's
And
hard.
what you'll see,
10 out
like
of 10.
what like you can like at the end of your hike, if there's like a waterfall.
Oh, exactly.
There's, like,
Yes,
so it's really
yes.
cool, and there's reviews as well. So you can see what people.
And they tell you what to wear. They tell you what to expect. Amazing. Shout out to John from 2 to 12 days ago. He said to wear long jeans. I did it, but you know, shout out.
All Trails. Sponsor me.
Sponsor us. Alltrails.com.
So pretty. Come on, let's go on an adventure. Follow me.
Alright, what's up, brother dudes? Brother dudes. We got lost a little bit, we got discouraged. But you know, we're on our way now. Check this out, there's still a block of ice. Not block, it's just a big ice left over from the winter. Unfortunately though, we can't hike up there, but we're gonna have to find a way. Let's check it out, it's like slippery, just ice. What happened?
Stop.
I'm gonna go through there and see what's good. Ooh. Oh my god. This is getting really hard to hike. Yeah, I don't fit. I'm thick. Oh my soul.
What if we climb?
Alright, what's gonna happen? We're gonna go back. Maybe try to find a stick.
There's a backside though.
What a letdown. It's beautiful though.
So close.
So what we can do is I'm gonna drone it, see what's up. But there is a waterfall that I saw earlier. There's another one.
Well, so here we are at our destination. We're at Big Falls. You can see the lake trailing down there, but if you turn around, this is Big Falls. It's just frozen, so it's Big Frozen Falls. But you know, we can always go up there. But this is legitimately it. This is a Big Falls. Like we're not even lying. This is legit Big Falls. Catch us here at Big Falls. I said Big Falls like 4 times.
5, 6, 7.
A lot. Alright, we'll see you when we get down.
We'll see you at Casino de Lorraine.
We're just following the riverbed and we're magically just gonna end up there. Like, wow, why did I do that? I hate you! Okay.